Okay, she got every single night, and I don't want that.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I am gonna be showing you guys how to make your very own characters and animations for the characters in your Unity game in this video. So let's get into the video now. So firstly, you want to open up Unity, then your game, and then wait for it to load, wait for the grass to grow, hurry up. There we go. So here's our game. If you saved it from the last video for the last Unity video, if you save this, then you should have this in your scene. So what we're gonna do firstly is make this road a bit bigger. So let's just make it a bit bigger, because we're gonna need to fit our player in. Alright, there we go, that's good. And then we're gonna be moving our street lights. So, yep, let's move them all at once. See, this is where the last video came in helpful. Like, we can move everything all at once without breaking anything. Okay, anyway, that's last video. So now, we're gonna be spawning our actual character for this thing, so we can change it all after. All you're gonna go into, if you follow these steps to get these folders in your asset thingy, right here you would have an audio file, a CodaKid, models, I'm pretty sure, yep, models, and prefab scenes and scripts. You wanna hit on prefabs, then you wanna hit on player, and then drag it to wherever you want. I'm just gonna drag it in the middle of my road here. And then you're like, oh, it's just a little cat in a car. This isn't really much, is it? It is it's not, it doesn't look like much, but we're gonna soon change the appearance of this car and cat. So if you don't like how it's like a cat and you want to add a boy in the scene, we're gonna be changing that. So don't you worry. So now we're just gonna, wait, let me move this to down here so it's easier. There we go. So then it's gonna automatically, without you doing anything, spawn a parent in this sample scene. It's gonna show as player. We're gonna be unpacking this parent, so let's right click on it and unpack prefab. And then you're gonna see there's other prefabs inside it. Don't worry, we don't need to unpack these, so don't do these. We just need to unpack this player one right now. So yep, let me just close all of these so it's neater. There we go. So now, say you wanted to change the character inside the cart. All you need to do is you want to go back in your assets. So if you're on prefabs, hit this arrow here, and you hit on assets, and you'll go back to this asset file, and then click on CodaKid models. I'm gonna have a boy as the driver, so boy, and then you want to hit prefabs. Now you're gonna see a boy character, which is short for, it's gonna be shortened as CHAR, and it's gonna be a boy cart. I'm gonna be changing the boy character and the boy cart to make them match. But you can mix up the carts and characters all you want. So that's your choice. I'm just doing the boy cart with the boy character. So yeah. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna select on wherever you wanna remove. So I wanna delete the actual character, so the little, what do you call this creature? A kitten, yeah, okay. And then you want to delete this cat. Right click on it, you're going to select the cat, and then in your sample scene it's going to show it as highlighted what you want to delete, and then you want to right click, delete, and now the head's gone, the kitten's gone. Now all you want to do is bring this boy, you want to drag this boy character into that place. So you want to just, when you see this line, you know you're in the right spot. release, and there you go. It's right in the exact position without any mistakes. Like you can literally, it looks like it's in the exact same position because it is. And once you got bored of this like cart, you can always change it as well in the same way. And all you gotta do is you gotta select it first. So you gotta select, right click, delete, go put it, get the cart, put it in that same place. There you go. It's like nothing ever happened. So now you got this character, right? Let's say now you want to change the looks of this character. So you want so you want to go, if you want to change the look of this character to have like darker skin or something, I don't know, or like have darker hair, you can. All you got to do is go into CodeKit models, go into boy, go into textures, and then now you want to go into the this player thing here, and you're gonna look at where it says where is it? There it should be. So right, actually guys, never mind. The other important step I was going to show you is you have to go into this player thingy right here, and you got to scroll down till it says anim controller, and it's in brackets, it says script. It shows in cart, it says missing game object, character missing game object. So what you want to do is you want to go into where your boy character and stuff says. So this is the boy character and boy cart. Where did it go? Okay, so here, right here it says, and we're gonna just drag the boy character into here, and we're gonna drag the boy cart into here. So now it's gonna be filled, so the animations will work. And so yeah. So now, let's say we want to play these animations, right? All we gotta do to play our game is you gotta press this play button up here. And there you go. This is our point of view of our camera. You can't really see much that any animations are working besides the heads moving right and left. That's the only animations you can see. And yeah. So yeah, as you can see, the animation is not doing much because we can't see from this point of view. So all you gotta do to change that is, wait, so let's stop our game, okay? So all you gotta do is we're gonna move this camera to wherever we want. I'm just gonna move it right here so we can actually see the wheels moving and everything like that. So all we're gonna do to change that is go in our sample scene and hit main camera. And then all you want to go into is you want to go into game object, and then you want to press align with align. So it's gonna say, wait, bring it back again. Align with view, and you're gonna see some hotkeys for it. So Control plus Shift plus F. So all you gotta press is Control Shift and F. I'm just gonna select it right here. So get your view you want. So for example, you want it here, right? You would. So I'm just gonna do mine. So I want my point of view from right here. Wait, right there. Right there. Wait, no. Here, right there. I want my point of view. So I'm gonna select the main camera, go into game object, align with view. Now, if we start our game again, we should see the camera right here. And now we can see the animations much better. So yeah, that is like what you should have in your game so far right now. And you can always make changes to like your character, to like make it into a girl, for example. So you can make you can delete this boy and then go into your Coded Kid models and then go into girl and then prefabs, bring it up to the place it was. There you go. Now you got the girl type of car and character. But I'm just going to change it back to boy because I like the boy car with the boy character. So, where's the models? There it is, boy, prefabs. And bring it back to the same spot. There we go. And yeah, so that is basically all I have to say for this video. Actually, no, I have one more thing. That is to save your video. So quickly go and save your video before the video ends. And that is actually gonna be it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Okay, she got every single night, and I